Hey, Big Rich here. So today we're going to work on the subfloor. Had a little piece that looked a little rotten around the toilet from 30 or 40 years. I don't know, maybe there was a small leak or something. So today we're going to take and replace this section of the subfloor. Need to take and put a 2x4 underneath here just to support this edge of the floor, and then we have the rest, obviously the joists. The floor in my house is 3/4 inch. Again, 40 years ago, all the guys build lumber. Turns out they shaved a 1/32 of an inch off of every bit of lumber that's out there. So imagine a big sheet of plywood shaved down a little bit. They get one more sheet out of every 32. Make more money. For us, it means we got to do more work. So I probably have to cut some really thin shims, a 1/32 of an inch thick, on the table saw. I'll glue it down onto the floor joists, and I'll just raise the floor up, the new substrate floor up a little bit. So that's the work we have to do today. All right, we got the subfloor outside. It's kind of a warmer day in Michigan in January here, so thought I'd go outside and use the old bed of the Chevy truck here for a sawhorse. So anyways, I got the subfloor all marked out for the width and the length, so we're gonna cut her off. Gotta watch the feet on that one, almost got me. Alright, subfloor's cut. Take it back upstairs and do a little dry fit and see how it looks. Alright, we got the shims cut really thin on a table saw to lay across the joists. We got our 2x4 that's just going to go up and support the inboard edge, so there's a floor joist there that we'll nail and glue it to. And I got my substrate cut to drop in a hole, so here we go. Alright, subfloor is done. So got it in. You saw I had to put a couple shims on the front and the back. It seemed like the joists in the middle might have been a hair high. So the board wobbled a little bit. So I shimmed the back a little, and the front it's now flush on the front edge, so that should be good with the tile. I got to cut the hole in it, but I'm going to wait to do that. Finish all the work up here first, but eventually I'll put the hole in it for the toilet and the standpipe on the toilet. And I got to nail it down and glue it down yet, but I want to leave it the access open so I can work on the plumbing for the tub, clean it up some more down there. But so anyways, subfloor and how to shim a subfloor up, right? Another small project done. That's the sitch with Big Rich.